In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we people remain very sensitive about certain things. We look upon those things and the progress in those things with maybe with a microscope. We are too much sensitive about these things. Not necessarily each one of us, but most of us. But here too, some of the people I am going to talk about, some of the people are more sensitive in one thing, in two things, and not necessarily in the third and the fourth. And another person will be sensitized, will be having a very sensitive approach towards certain other two things. But these things are very much relevant, and overall we are very careful, very sensitive about these things. What are these things? Our health, safety, health, business, career, our respect in the society as a whole, and our respect at a particular place. Above all, our peace of mind and our happiness. We remain, as far the peace of mind and happiness is concerned, the people who are more developed psychologically are people who are more wise. They are paying quite a lot of attention to it compared to other people. Other people, those people who remain more concerned with the money, those people who remain more concerned with their ego, with their respect in the society. This is what happens, unfortunately. Unfortunately, not unfortunate that we are paying attention to it, but unfortunately because we are not paying attention to something which is the basis of all these, which is the basis of all these, and which actually does affect hugely all of these four things and even the rest of the things. Our health a lot more dependent upon that, our career dependent upon that, our business dependent upon that up to an extent, our business, our career dependent upon that up to an extent, our health dependent upon that up to great extent, and above all, huh, it is the happiness and the peace of mind which is totally dependent upon it. Our respect in the society, we are sensitive about it, and it is up to some extent or a great extent dependent upon something we are going to talk about today. Unfortunately, we are not sensitive. Unfortunately, we are not sensitive towards whether we are thinking positively or negatively. We are not sensitive towards it. We need to sensitize. We need to get sensitized towards whether the current thought in my mind, the pattern of my thought at the moment, is a positive one or not a positive one, is a constructive one or not a constructive one, is a logical one or not a logical one. Being logical, it is very important, but it is even more important to be positive. It is even more important to be positive. So I am of the view, my analysis is, my take is that being sensitive towards our health and say safety and health, that is necessary, but we need to understand that it depends upon the quality of our thoughts, whether the thoughts are positive or the negative. Our business, our career, up to an extent dependent upon whether I'm thinking positively as a whole, whether I'm thinking positively toward my business and career or not. Thinking positive does not mean ignoring the challenges. Some of the people are of the view, some of the people are of the view that thinking positive mean that not getting serious toward the challenges, toward the difficulties you are facing. Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. The truth is that positivity m- simply makes us more energetic, provides us more energy to cope, to face the challenges and the difficulties and the complications of the life with a more open heart. Positivity advises us to be practical. Positivity advises us to be empathetic, to develop the empathy for the other people, why they are doing this, trying to know why they are doing this, and what I would have been doing if I were in their place, if I were in their shoes, what I would have been doing then. So it is very important, actually, very important, very important. Think positive. The more positive we are, we must to get need to we must get sensitized toward our thinking process. We need to keep an eye over our thinking, whether the thinking currently I am entertaining, going on in my mind, are positive or not, positive in nature or negative in nature. Thank you. Jazakallah.